At the DSU School of Engineering, you have access to focused programs to help you become problem solvers, researchers, and take on challenges of the modern world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our engineering facilities inspire creativity and hands-on learning.
One thing I can tell about DSU is the most I liked was socializing here, because how they offered exchange program makes me more enthusiastic, more exciting about it, because the new culture I'm learning, people coming from outside, learning their new culture, learning about it is a big thing for me.
Life at DSU, it's very experiencing. We experience a lot of growth here. I'd like to do stuff on my own and learn, explore a little bit. I get that environment here, and that's what I really like about the campus.
I used to not go to class that much, but still, I have this innovation lab always open for me till night, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. I used to sit there, code, develop things and learn from teachers.
Being into a big campus, it was a dream of mine. Seeing everywhere, there are sports ground, there is food truck, and there is a big library.
Academically, I really like the way how they have these exchange programs, and these the way how professors let you explore in the labs, and how you have a lot of experiments and you get your own space to learn the concepts and to take it more a step ahead by going into competitions, by going into hackathons. We have very supportive staff.
At DSU, it's not only about academics, it empowers us to have a better future.